If you've ever wanted to learn how to cook Thai food, then Paladarr is the place to come to. Shalom's classes are legendary. He's been running them for 10 years. The classes are every Saturday and every Sunday. And yes, if you want to do a class midweek, you can. And yes, if you want the chefs to come to your place, when you've got a few friends there and you want to have a cooking class and a lunch together, we can do that too. Most of our guests come to learn smack in the middle of a commercial kitchen. The choice is yours. We've got 5 programs that you can choose from. The first is Shalom's Northeast Issan cuisine, where all of the food that you learn about is food from his own native area. Then we've got our seasonal menus, spring, summer, autumn and winter, and every single one of the dishes for those seasons are vastly different. There's great variety in each program, and Shalom has a gentle and masterful way of teaching all of the secrets. It doesn't matter what level you come from, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a chef yourself. Come in and Learn will teach you from basic cooking skills through to multi-layered, very complex dishes. You will absolutely love it. At the end of your class, we dine on one of your courses. There's wine, some Thai and Lao beers, soft drinks, whatever you'd like, and we give you a booklet that has all the recipes, a certificate of achievement, a welcome back to the restaurant certificate, frequently asked questions, and where we shop. We even provide you with the apron. All you need to bring is closed-in shoes and the willingness to have a great time and learn a lot. Look forward to seeing you at one of Learn's classes. Make sure you book online at www.paladarr.com.au.